So hi guys, welcome back to a new video of DJ Allen, and as you can see, we are going to unbox and a short review of this power bank, MagSafe power bank from Zelos. And now let's get to it. So here it is guys, our MagSafe power bank. This is a great MagSafe power bank for me because as you can clearly see here, this is MagSafe power bank. And as you can clearly see also from the box, we can charge our devices if our devices is not a wireless charging. We can use it or charge it via USB cable as the picture was seen here mga paps, no? So ito po siya mga paps, yung itsura ng MagSafe power bank natin mga paps, no? So as you can see, it has a battery indicator. Now it has three bars of charge, so we can use this once in the box, out of the box fresh. And this is a 10,000 milliampere, and this is a great power bank because it supports the 15 watts magnetic wireless power bank that Apple devices is rated. So this is a faster wireless charging because as we know, some wireless charging, if you use it on iPhone, it will just you not use the iPhone's rated charging speed, the 15 watts. It will just use half of it, the 7.5 watts. And this is a good power bank because it uses the 15 watts, as you can clearly see here. And from the picture, it's an iPhone. So if your device is not a wireless power bank or capable, you can use this power bank with your Type C or Android connector, that and you will get a 20 watts of power delivery from this power bank if you use it USB connection mode, not wireless. So this is a great power bank for me mga paps, no? So we got my sister's iPhone 15 here. I'm recording a video through my iPhone 14, and we will try the power bank on my sister's iPhone 15 mga paps, no? If gagana ba siya o hindi. So ngayon itong iPhone 15 na to, meron siyang 64% of battery. So try lang natin gagana ba siya through wireless and through USB connection charging mga paps, no? So lapat lang natin. So ayan po mga paps, no? Wirelessly charging po yung iPhone 15 natin mga paps, no? You can clearly see here from mga paps, no, from the battery indicator na nag-charge po siya from wireless. As you can see, wirelessly charging mga paps, no? I don't know kung the magnet, if kung malakas ba yung magnet niya, hindi ba siya malalaglag mga paps, no? Hindi ko pa ito na-try. First unboxing ko lang nga to nito mga paps, no? Itong power bank MagSafe mga paps, no? Okay, goods naman siya mga paps, no? Hindi naman siya nalalaglag, kitang-kita nyo naman. So now mga paps, no, meron akong USB cable dito kasi Type C naman siya, no? Type C, kasi kahit iPhone ka pa, Type C naman yung cord mo, lalo na yung iPhone 15, 16 mga paps, no? Kahit naman yung 14, 13, 12, Type C to Lightning naman siya mga paps, no? So try natin kung mag-charge ba siya via USB cable mga paps, no? So as you can clearly see, charging naman siya mga paps, no, via USB cable, and it's great kasi makukuha mo yung 20 watts ng iPhone mga paps, no, kung naka-charge via wire mga paps, no, kasi 20 watts yung wire connection ng power bank na to mga paps, no? So again, pakita ko lang sa inyo na nagcha-charge po siya. So tatanggalin natin. So nawala po yung charging ng mga paps, no? Charge lang natin ulit. As you can clearly see, it's now charging. So this is a great power bank for me mga paps, no? Kasi pwede, kung hindi ka wireless charger na phone, pwede ka mag-USB cable. Kung wireless charger phone ka naman, hindi wireless ka. Lagay mo lang dito. O ayan, lagay mo lang sa phone mga paps, no? And nakikita naman na nag-charge po siya mga paps, no? As you can clearly see. So yan lang po siguro mga paps, no? Unboxing and short review to this MagSafe power bank mga paps, no? If you want to know more, please comment in the comment box below. Gagawan ako ng part 2 nito para kung gusto niyo pang malaman about sa power bank nito. And DJL signing out. Peace.